Hi everyone, this is Anna Perrone from Miami Beach Microblading, and I feel truly blessed today. The reason why is because today we're going to be unboxing this amazing machine. It's a wireless PMU machine I just received from Microbeau before anybody else in the world has a chance to buy it. We're going to be unboxing this beauty today, and I will be showing you the different features. And I'm telling you, I'm already in love. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm just really blessed and really thankful. How lucky am I? All right, my ego is super inflated right now. So enough about me. Let's get to unboxing this beauty, shall we? First of all, I received this huge box from UPS in the mail, and inside that box was this beautiful white box here, and let me tell you, it feels like it's my birthday or Christmas or something, because look at this presentation. I took a quick peek before coming here, but I'm gonna open it again, show you guys. Look at this. It has this cute message from Microbeau International. It's just like, it's so cute, like I feel bad opening it. It's just so beautifully wrapped. Thank you, Lulu. Thank you, Gaston. Thank you, Microbeau, and thank you, FK Irons. I feel bad to like rip this apart, but let's pretend it's my birthday. Let's pretend it's Christmas. And oh my God, okay. There's some extras in here. I wasn't expecting this. This is awesome. So right away, I can look at the symbol here for Bluetooth. So I know that this machine, and wireless of course, it's not only wireless, but you also can operate it via Bluetooth, which is like extra icing on top of the cake. And no, it's not my birthday. But I see here that besides from this amazing machine that we're gonna unbox really quick, I got some beautiful lip pigments from Lulu Siciliano's Even Flow line, and I can't wait to try them, but this is for another video. And my favorite needles, I love these. These are universal needles that have the membrane, so they're super safe, and they are like, I have them already. I have like a bunch of them already, and I cannot get enough. So thank you so much, guys. This is, again, it feels like it's Christmas. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. It just keeps on giving here. I'm really happy. We're gonna talk about this later in another video. Let's go ahead and put this box away for now, and we're going to unbox the Spektra Flux S. Beautiful packaging, like always. Everything that Lulu and Gaston do is top quality stuff, and I am going to open and see what's inside. Woo! Look at this, you guys. Unleash your power. Yes, definitely. So right away, I see how sleek it looks, and I love this color. It's like a gunmetal shade, and I see right here, it's not just a machine with a wireless battery pack, okay guys? It's a wireless machine, and it's for PMU. It's the first of its kind, the first wireless machine specially made for PMU, and guess what? It's made right here in the United States by FK Irons and Microbeau, so you know it's top quality. You guys are already using the Zion, the Beller. I have a Beller myself and I love it, but honestly, nothing beats wireless. And I'm going to take it out of the box now just to see the weight, and right away it feels like super light. I could definitely work with this on eyebrows and eyeliner and lips. It's not heavy at all, and I like the the little ridges that you have here, so it helps, you know, your hand doesn't slip. And I have big hands, so it fits perfectly for my hands. But the highlight of this machine really is, you know, the wireless, okay? And it's not just wireless, it's also operated via Bluetooth. So you can go on your phone and download the Dark Lab app and operate the machine via Bluetooth, and this is all you need. That's it. You don't need any power supply, any food paddle, any of that wire that's like going around your chair when you're going around the clients. Another really cool feature from this machine, besides from being wireless and also Bluetooth, is that you can take off the whole handle and put it in your autoclave. So basically no cord, autoclavable parts, everything you need to avoid cross-contamination. This is your guardian angel, okay? And just by, I saw in the website, I was taking a look at their specs, it shows me that to charge, and the charger cable comes over here, by the way. So this here is a USB-C charger. So basically just an hour and a half to charge 10 hours of battery. So you work for 10 hours and then you charge with the USB-C. That means that you can charge from your car, from anywhere, really. So this is perfect for any artist, anywhere, especially you guys who are working in different studios, and for the masters who are doing presentations worldwide, this is your machine, okay? And it's perfect for our work, perfect for PMU. And last but not least, as you can see, I don't know if you guys are familiar with the Vertex cartridges. They are universal cartridges, right? So you can buy the Vertex, or you can buy Cheyenne cartridges with the membrane, right? I don't know if you guys are familiar with that, but a lot of states here in the United States, the health department will come and they will check your cartridges and make sure that you're working with membrane cartridges. And you don't want to work with any other cartridges anyways, because you don't want to run the risk of, you know, getting your machine infected with body fluids and stuff like that. But back to the Flux S, this machine, I'm like really impressed also because they are going paperless, just like me, just like my microblading app with the forms. So you can see over here, there's a barcode that you can scan with your phone for the manual. So you don't get, when you get your machine, you got this cool box with a charger, and you're also saving paper, saving the environment by getting the manual from this cool little barcode here. And also made in the USA. Yes! So this is our American pride and joy here from my neighbors Lulu and Gaston Siciliano. I hope you guys like this unboxing of the Spektra Flux S. In my next video, I will compare the Spektra Flux S versus other machines. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like and share this video if you have enjoyed it. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.